Hello, everybody. This is Kostas, and to this short video, I'm gonna show you something that many of you are asking me about how you can, customize your Windows 11 and make it the way it feels more convenient and more friendly to you and in fact to make it more practical for you to be able to use your uh, operational operating system. In fact, Windows 11 during the latest update it stopped some of very interesting features that you might were very interested in and you enjoyed and you wanted to keep them working. So what I'm gonna show you right away. So this this patcher, this Explorer patcher, it's something very interesting that you can easily download the Explorer patcher from here. You can click here, and I'm gonna leave the link down to my description so that you can easily find the patcher. It's just a free program. You don't have to pay anything about that, and it's really safe. Okay, I have already installed and tested, and it's working perfectly because I tested a couple of other tools, but it's not working as it's supposed to work, and it's up to date. Okay. Uh, uh, the only thing you're gonna have to do, okay, it was updated at November 4 2025, but the point is that it's working perfectly. So let me show you. You just download and install the patcher, and you're gonna see that you're gonna be able to have all the old icons and tools that you used uh, to use with Windows 7 or Windows 10. Um, if we go to uh, if you go over here to the apps, you're gonna see that you have let me show you. Here you have the Explorer Patcher over here. Okay. Okay, in fact, now when you click over here, you're gonna see that you have the Windows 8 and Windows 10 bar, and you have all the Explorer and those features that you need. Okay, just as an example, you can see that even the Start button style it's Windows 10 default, and you can make it Windows 11 here. And in fact, because I'm using the open cell, it has no effect over here. You see. But if I wanted, for example, to change let's say I would like to change the way that this calendar it pop-ups and um, I wanted, let's say, the analog clocks. I would have to come here and change that. Let me show you over here. We got the system tray, and I can come here and arrange, let's say, the clock, and I can say that I want it like the Windows 7. So on that way I'm gonna have this style. You see, I got the clock that it's the analog clock, and I have the calendar over there too. I believe that's more convenient and more flexible and easier for you to use your Windows 11. In case you want again to have your Windows 11 fly out, you can just select it over here and keep it the way you enjoyed it. I'm going to leave it to Windows 10 as it looks much more practical and more simple. Okay. Um, Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. You can like and subscribe to my channel. You're gonna find a lot of interesting videos about how to tweak things to and how to use AI tools That's something very interesting in our days, and I showcase a lot of this kind of programs. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you to the next one. Bye bye.